How's it, guys? Welcome back to another live session today. I'm CryptoNinja, and I will be going over the most important levels for Bitcoin. And we've got a couple other coins that I want to speak about in this session today. There's a few coins that are obviously leading this run that is currently happening right now. And yeah, we want to speak about what we're going to see in the market. And we are obviously really bullish here, right? So Bitcoin is at 71K. It is currently getting rejected by the 71K level. So you can see over here, this is a rejection zone around about 71,500 to 71,600. Very strong rejection zone. And you can see right now we are coming down a little bit here on the 4-hour time frame. What I'm looking at is I'm looking at a potential long at this high over here at 70,100 for Bitcoin. I do think that is a good setup. I really think that's a good setup, and the reason why is because we are bullish on multiple time frames, and we are most probably going to come back to the low and potentially to get along from this level. So that's what I'm looking at for Bitcoin. I mean, the daily time frame closed really strong, closed above this previous high. We could potentially see a bottom wick to this low at 69,400, 69,300, but we're obviously going to wait and see what happens. I don't think we're going to come that low, but I do think that price is potentially going to come back down to this low right over here, where I'll be looking at it long. Okay. But that is Bitcoin, right? That is Bitcoin. And the other two coins are, most of you guys know them. They've been around for a long time. The first one I want to speak about is obviously Solana. Solana really been pumping, right? So basically, if you guys did join the session on Monday, we actually spoke about Solana then as well. And we spoke about it breaking out, right? We spoke about the breakout. And we took the long. We took the long in the session. We're currently at 173, which is a really strong resistance zone. And you can see the next target for Solana is going to be the 187 level, right? The 187 level is going to be the next clear resistance for Solana. So if price can break above 173, then yeah, cool. Most probably just going to go straight to 173. But until then, we are most probably just going to see a reaction over here, maybe come down a little bit. But overall, Solana looking really strong. Back to 186, 187 in the next couple days, maybe weeks. We'll see what actually happens. But overall, looking absolutely fire. Solana is looking good. So that's the one coin I wanted to speak about. And then, I mean, essentially, if you look at the daily time frame for Solana, have a look here, guys. So on the daily time frame, price is still below this previous resistance over here. So on the daily time frame, we need Solana to close above 173. 173 is going to be the level for Solana. We need price to close above there, right? If price can close above there, then yeah, cool. We most probably just going to go straight to 187. And it might take very quick, a short amount of time. Because the thing is, right now, Solana has just been really strong. We had a massive breakout on yesterday's candle. We're getting rejected by the 173 resistance, but breaking above this level could potentially push us all the way to 186, 187. Potentially 200 is in sight, right? 200 is in sight. So that is something that we should be watching right now. I mean, Solana is really bullish, guys. Really bullish. Okay. The next coin I want to speak about is BNB. BNB, guys, BNB made an all-time high. BNB made an all-time high and is currently trading above the all-time high. It hit $700 clean, which is absolutely crazy. So BNB is literally at a level where it's unheard of, right? It's a new area, it's a new domain. It is almost like we don't know what's going to happen next, right? And that's the thing. Like BNB can definitely go to around about $1,000 within the bull run. I mean, even more. I mean, this breakout's absolutely mental. It's absolutely crazy, and it's just looking really strong. So what I'm saying is basically BNB potentially. I mean, it's hard to tell right now because it's new territory, right? But $1,000 doesn't even look that far away, right? $1,000 doesn't look that far away. It's around about 45% away. But I mean, if Bitcoin has that massive run, then BNB definitely going to come back up, first time ever to hit 1,000. So that's potentially what's going to happen. I do think that will happen very, very soon. So keep an eye on that, right? Keep an eye on BNB. BNB is going to be interesting in the bull run. And yeah, then if you guys did just join now, Solana, same thing, right? It's just kind of the same type of trade we took. And then Bitcoin, like I said, for BTC, guys, BTC, this is the most important level to look at here. I want to see how we react to 70K. 70K, remember, is a strong support. So that is something that we have to watch out for, right? We'll see if there's a reaction there. If there's no reaction, then we'll have to wait and see how it all plays out. But what I'm looking at right now is a potential long at 70K, around about 70,100. That is a level that I'm looking at for Bitcoin, because we do see Bitcoin coming down now, and I want to see if we can get a long here, guys. If we can catch a long at this level, at around about 70,100, definitely something to look at for Bitcoin. And I can see a few people did just join now. Welcome. If you guys are new here, this is essentially a channel where we talk about the most important coins. We take trades. It's around about 30 minutes every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. We take trades. We look at the market. We understand what's happening. And yeah, if you guys did miss it, we spoke about Bitcoin, Solana, and BNB. And if you were here on Monday, I actually gave out this trade on Monday. Monday, we literally traded this live. I remember trading this with you guys, and we took the trade over here. My target for Solana is going to be 186, like the all-time move within the next couple of days. So this is something that we do have to watch out for. I do indeed think that Bitcoin will come down a little bit here. BNB, like I said, BNB has been so bullish, guys. BNB broke all-time high. Next level for BNB is going to be $1,000. But what I'm saying, I don't think it's going to go straight there. I think we're going to see a retracement, guys. We will see a retracement for BNB. I don't know when it will be, but BNB will retrace, and it's most probably going to come back to these most recent highs at around about 619. And then that's when you can look to accumulate some BNB, because, I mean, right now, you don't really want to be buying BNB at $700, right? To be honest with you, I don't think that you would want that, right? Like BNB is already a coin that if you guys don't hold, there's no point of buying it. Okay, it's too high, no point, just doesn't make sense. Yeah. Solana, beautiful trade, beautiful setup. Was sent in my Twitter account. Make sure you guys do follow the Twitter account. We do trade these setups every day. And then Bitcoin right now, we're currently just waiting for price to come back down to this low. We are still bullish on the daily time frame. This is a zone that I want to see how price reacts at. So 70,100, 70,200. It is quite an important zone. You can see very strong level here, and 70K psychological level. Thinking about taking it long here. We'll see how we get the reaction. Okay, but yeah, if you guys are new, thank you so much for joining. This is another setup that we took on Monday. It's XRP trade. This is on the daily time frame. XRP trading in this triangle pattern. We closed straight above the volume, the point of control volume, where the most volume has been traded at that level. And you can see right now we are seeing a potential push here, guys. We're seeing a potential push move to 0.66119. Okay, I mean, this is the breakout level. This is the previous high. This trade might take a couple of days. It is taken on the daily time frame, so bear in mind this trade will probably take a couple of days or weeks. It's not going to be a short trade that we got going here. Okay, so just keep that in mind. Yeah. And that is what I've got for you guys today. With the setups, basically just going to wait for Bitcoin to come back down here, potentially take a trade back down, back up to the 72K. If we have a look at the 4-hour time frame, this is a good level for potential long here, guys. We have some resistance over here, looking good for a potential move. Okay, so BTC still bullish here, guys. I'm not saying I'm bearish at all. I'm just saying that price is most probably going to go back up here. So yeah, let's see what happens. Let's see what happens, guys. Let's see what happens. But looking good, looking really good. What else can we look at here? Any coins that you guys want me to go over, let me know. Put in the comments. But the most important coins we jump through. Let's talk about 𝗕𝗫𝗀. 𝗕𝗫𝗀, guys. 𝗕𝗫𝗀, you still have an opportunity, guys. You still have an opportunity for 𝗕𝗫𝗀. We bought some at 0.098 a couple of weeks ago. I think it was when was this? May 30th, April 1st, and May. So about a month ago, right? We bought it. It went up around about 30%, and then came back down, only up around about 10% now. But buying at these levels is really good. I do think that we're going to see a rip there. 𝗕𝗫𝗀, one of the coins I'm really bullish on. Bitcoin coming down here, guys. Looking at it long here, looking at it long. But yeah, let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. 𝗪𝗵, guys, 𝗪𝗵 also. Have a look at 𝗪𝗵. We bought 𝗪𝗵 here on the same channel, guys. We've been buying these coins on the same channel, and we broke out, retest, beautiful pump, looking at around about 0.42 around about. And 𝗕𝗏𝗀 as well. 𝗕𝗏𝗀. Remember, we bought this. I think it was also in March. We bought over here, and then we bought at 0.67. We're currently up around about 100% of this trade. Have a look at 𝗬𝗫𝗀 here, guys. Have a look at 𝗬𝗫𝗀. So have a look at this. So I've drawn two boxes here for 𝗬𝗫𝗀 just to show you what I'm looking at here, guys. And essentially, this is our bottom range, and then this is our top range, right? Whenever we trade above here, price goes straight to here, right? So I've put a limit order over here at 51.08. I think that this is a good price, 51.35, around about this level. You're looking at a 45% gain here, guys. So you're looking at quite a nice gain here. Yeah, looks good. So if you guys want to trade this, you can just open your app and then put a limit order for 𝗬𝗫𝗀 here, because I'm expecting quite a big move. So we're going to put it at, yeah, so 51. I'll put it at 𝗬𝗫𝗀. Put a limit order. I'm going to do it right now as well. Yeah, so those are the setups, guys. Make sure you guys follow me as well, because I will be going over the most important levels. You see Solana just dropped so much there. So 𝗬𝗫𝗀, we're going to put a limit order here. So the price is at 51. Yeah, so we long on Audi at 51. We put a limit order there. That's something that we're going to trade, right? Something we're going to do. Bitcoin coming down here, beautiful. Yeah, we're going to potentially get some longs here. Remember, this long here for Solana, you can still look for potential long at this low here at 169. So I'll be looking to trade that as well for Solana. So we'll potentially get that and then Bitcoin coming down. But yeah, I do appreciate everyone joining here today. I hope you guys have learned something. And remember, these setups I post are all on the Twitter account. You can just find me over here. Whoops, excuse me. Yeah, so I've got 2 accounts, but this is the account that you guys should follow over here. Basically, you can see that I post pretty much all my setups here, what I'm trading, our live streams. Yeah, so we do everything on this channel. So if you guys do like this content, it would be appreciated if you guys would show some love over there. Yeah, but thanks for the ones that have joined and that are always joining here. It is much appreciated. And yeah, looking good here for Bitcoin bouncing from this level. I don't know what that level was. If we have a look here, that is your bounce zone, right? Your support. So we're waiting for BTC to come a little bit lower here. And then audio, I really want to see if we can get Forger maybe tonight. If we see like a flash crash and a pump, would be amazing. But yeah, those are the setups. I'm not going to go too into depth here, guys. If you guys did miss it, we did go through BNB and Solana and what our thoughts are on those two. But yeah, I do appreciate everyone joining. It's going to be a short one. I will post the setup here for Bitcoin in my Twitter. So make sure you guys do join my Twitter account. You'll be able to see that this is most probably the bounce zone for BTC here, guys. Yeah, so we'll see what happens there. But yeah, I do appreciate it. Make sure you like the video and subscribe, repost and retweet would be good. I do appreciate everyone that is here and that has always been here. Thank you so much. Yeah, so cancel that. Let's see what happens. Bitcoin looking like it does want to bounce here, which is good. Solana literally just had a little flash, little dump here. Nothing too crazy. I mean, I'm up and long on Solana on the daily, so it's nothing really something to worry about. But yeah, it sounds good, looks good. Everything's looking really fresh. Yeah. But yeah, I do appreciate everyone joining, and we will see you next time. Bye-bye.
当酒精浸透你每个神经，你再也不需要别人同情，只希望酒精能让你从新认识一切，看透这世间人情，变得百倍。当酒精浸透你每个神经，我们一起举杯，在一起同行，无所谓这中间重要是风景，何必在乎结果和谁输谁赢？跨越这大山大河，记住那大恩大德，一个真兄弟的肩膀胜过最少想拜佛。如今我大悟大彻，看世间潮起潮落，重要是家人和朋友，而不是放肆挥霍。家人曾伤心难过，而你曾把我瞒过，每颗流星划过夜空前时，眼泪不停闪烁出真切，内心忐忑，锋利的匕首反握，准备杀死对手前身，让我来杀死懒惰。和兄弟一起就别自大，装逼的我就真心 fuck，酒后吹牛逼耍酒分特都他妈是假黑怕。 怕，我酒后都是真心话，失去谁我的真心怕，一颗勇敢的心用整片太阳都装不下。I want real life, real life, real life. I want real life, real life, real life. I want no lie, no lie, no lie. I want no lie, no lie, no lie. 看得见善与恶，分得清对与错。走南闯北，看过形形色色，一路闯过祸，也曾抽过神仙草，发现真没神仙屌，因为神仙都是假的，况且你抽的是草。经历了漫天黄沙，早习惯四海为家，远离让你魂牵梦绕的那些有毒的话，别让友情太廉价，世人都不会眼瞎，分得清什么是真心真意，什么是奸诈。I was drinking in the car, backseat writing 16 bar, my phone shut down, that's what's up. Right one vodka, drinking in the car, backseat writing 16 bar, my phone shut down, that's what's up. Right one vodka. I want real life, real life, real life. I want real life, real life, real life. I want no lie, no lie, no lie. I want no lie, no lie, no lie. 即使生命之水，也会是天使之泪。这一杯装进了胃，需要岁月去体会错与对。虽然有时难以分清白与黑，别管谁取消随机匹配，喝酒人得对。对于无聊的猜疑早已觉得累，喂，无理取闹的行为劝你快收回，直到你已经喝醉 Tequila， 我再来一杯，因为这一回不再像是 MJ 的 𝗕𝗫𝗫， 比谁嘴上说的多，真做就那么几个，醉生梦死就是喝。